my opinion, on board.
It's weird. I like this, like stuff like the take can has one on each side, and one side only does the J7202. And this side.
I'm gonna crawl under there.
Okay.
You can video me.
Just don't bonk your head.
That's magic. Now we got it.
Yeah.
We've got to see if he can back the car over the hurricane shutters.
No, these
So in our garage.
It's the exact same truck. It's the best
Because I don't want to have to move the hurricane shutters.
Oh yeah. So yeah.
And if it won't fit, I've got to find a new place for
Yeah,
it.
so in terms of its interior, it's exactly nothing has changed. Other than the bigger 6-4 screen. And all the material.
20 inches deep to the hitch.
20?
Yeah.
All right. But what about the tire?
The tire, you start getting down into 19, 18 inches. Depends on how far you're in under the tire, right?
Right.
16 inches.
16?
16 about here. The weight of the tire.
And did you know the measurement from front to back of the whole truck?
Yeah, I do. That I don't think they've changed.
So let's just say 13 inches to be safe.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Which is pretty low, but it's got to be tapered.